Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, welcome to Asad Mathematics channel. Dear student, now today our lecture is some important question of trigonometry. Here we have lecture number 2. So the first question is that sin theta divided by secant 4 theta plus cos theta divided by cosecant 4 theta is equal to sin 5 theta. Now we solve this question. Let's start the question. Taking left hand side of the question, which is sin theta divided by secant 4 theta plus cos theta divided by cosecant 4 theta. So we split the sin theta in 1 over secant 4 theta. So we here you see that we split these two terms sin theta into 1 over secant 4 theta plus cos theta, and the same procedure using here cos theta, split the cos theta and 1 over cosecant 4 theta. So now we replace 1 over secant 4 theta and 1 over cosecant 4 theta by their reciprocals, which is 1 over secant 4 theta is equal to cos 4 theta and 1 over cosecant 4 theta is equal to sin 4 theta. So here we see that that is a formula in the form of sin alpha into cos beta plus cos alpha into sin beta, which is equal to sin alpha plus beta. So we using this formula. According to this formula, the required statement is sin theta plus 4 theta, which is equal to sin 5 theta. So which is our required result. Now move to the next question. The next question is that sin alpha plus beta divided by cos alpha into cos beta, which is equal to tangent alpha plus tangent beta. So taking left hand side and open the formula of sin alpha plus beta, which is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Now split the denominator with the both of the numerator terms, and here we see that they cancel cos beta which into cos beta, and here cos alpha in the second term cos alpha cancel with cos alpha. So sin alpha by cos alpha the first term plus sin beta divided by cos beta of the second term. Sin alpha by cos alpha, which is equal to tangent alpha, and sin alpha by cos beta is equal to tangent beta, which is our required result right hand side. Now move to the next question. So our last question is that cos 4 theta minus sin 4 theta, which is equal to 1 over secant 2 theta. Now taking left hand side of our question, cos 4 theta minus sin 4 theta. So we changes here cos 4 theta convert to cos square theta into whole square minus sin 4 theta taking whole square. So here we have a formula which is apply that a square minus b square. So a square is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. We know that here we using two formula, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 and cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So we replace the both terms by their formulas, one which is 1 and cos 2 theta, and cos 2 theta is the reciprocal of, here is the reciprocal of 1 over secant theta. So we note there cos 2 theta is equal to 1 over secant 2 theta, which is our right hand side. So today our lecture is completed. Any problem, so write in comments. Please subscribe Asad Mathematics channel for coming lectures.